Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set steps in Android phone. If you're using any Android or now you want to set your steps on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Play Store app and install the third-party applications. Open search, and here you just have to search for Google Fit or Google Health. Just search for it, and then you just have to install this application in your phone. Just tap on install and it will be start installation. Now you just have to wait for it. After the installation you just have to open the app. Just tap on open and it will be open. And your phone, here you have to select your account with which you want to log in, and after that you have to enter some details here, then select next, then select turn on here, then select allow. And after doing this you have this type interface. You must have to look for this section. You can here you can easily get your informations, and here's your daily goals. Just tap on it, and here your hold points and steps. Here you can easily get your daily steps. So that's how you can easily set steps in your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.